Opinion on this.
Well, it's pretty cool.
Tell me about the about how it feels.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Less rubbery than other people described. It just feels like grip, but not squishy. Feels good. I like the screen on the back. Roll in this way.
So it's got this. Maybe tone that down. I actually have that on attenuated, which in it now it only goes the other way.
Okay.
Yeah, it blocks the screen, and that's
Okay, which I thought was kind of cool because it protects the screen.
yeah. But like the what I have a rail in my vehicle, so I like to put it. I have a rail like that. I put my radios in like this, but I saw that I can put it in backwards, but not all the way. It won't lock. But so that's not going to be a problem. And then to take it off, you just got to peel the corner, and then just and then it releases. So yeah, going backwards, I can put that in my the little mount that I mount my handhelds on my dash, and that'll work.
All right. Very good.